If you've forgotten your Gmail password, don't worry, because in this video, I'm going to walk you through exactly how to reset or recover your Gmail password step by step. This is the fastest way to get back into your account when you can't remember the old password, and I'll also show you what to do if Google asks for extra verification along the way. If this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and let's jump right in. First, open your web browser and go to accounts.google.com/signin/recovery. This is Google's official account recovery page, and it's the safest place to start when you need to recover access to your Gmail account. Once the page loads, enter your Gmail address in the box provided. Make sure you type the correct email address, especially if you have more than one Google account. After entering your Gmail address, click Next. Google will now check the account and guide you through the recovery process. On the next screen, you may see a prompt asking if you forgot your password. If that appears, click Forgot Password to continue. This tells Google that you need to reset your password and helps move the recovery process forward. At this point, Google may ask you to enter the last password you remember. If you remember even part of your old password, type it in as accurately as possible. If you don't remember it, that's okay too. You can usually continue through the recovery steps by choosing another verification method. The main goal here is to prove that you're the legitimate owner of the account. Next, Google will give you one or more recovery options. These can include your recovery phone number, your recovery email, or a Google prompt on a trusted device. Choose the option that you still have access to. If you select your recovery phone number, Google will send a verification code by text or call. If you choose recovery email, Google will send a code to that inbox. If you get a Google prompt, simply open the trusted device and approve the sign-in request. Once you receive the verification code, enter it into the recovery page. Be careful to type the code exactly as shown, because even one wrong digit can prevent you from moving forward. After the code is accepted, Google will let you proceed to the password reset screen. Now create a new password for your Gmail account. Try to make it strong and unique, using a mix of letters, numbers, and symbols. Avoid using a password you've used before and don't make it too easy to guess. After typing your new password, confirm it by entering it again in the second field. This makes sure there are no typing mistakes. When everything looks good, save your new password. Google will update your account immediately, and you should now be able to sign back in with the new password. Go ahead and log in using your Gmail address and the new password you just created. If all the steps were followed correctly, you should have full access to your account again. And that's it. You've successfully recovered or reset your Gmail password. If this video helped you regain access to your account, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more helpful tech tutorials, and leave a comment if you want more Gmail or Google account recovery tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.